Hey friends, if you are unable to download or install an antivirus software on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the reason behind it. See, it's not that there is any service or anything associated with Windows updates, and at least not at the time of its installation. If it is being prevented, it is possibly because of a third party software, another rival third party software, or a virus or malware. So here's what you have to do. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type MRT and hit enter. Okay, this will open the malware removal tool. Now click on next and then select full scan and then click on next once again and let it scan Windows completely. Okay, this should solve the problem for a lot of users. Then you will be able to download it. But if it is caused by a third party software, then here's what you have to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.